I'm happy to be here this evening to inaugurate the fourth World Book Fair. These fairs, held once in every 2 years, have now become significant events in the world of books. I'm glad to know that the successive fairs have been steadily increasing in size and scope, and that this fair is thrice as large as the first one held 8 years ago. Besides a large number of Indian publishers, many foreign participants from both developing and developed countries and also from important UN agencies are present here today. I extend a cordial welcome to all of them. I also facilitate the National Book Trust on its dedicated efforts to foster book mindedness among our people. Book promotion and the creation of book mindedness have an immediate relevance to our country. As the world's largest democracy pledged to uphold to democratic way of life, India cannot afford to view with complacency the ignorance and illiteracy that stalk the land. As Mahatma Gandhi said, mass literacy is India's sin and shame and must be liquidated. But literacy must not end with the knowledge of the alphabet. It must go hand in hand with the spread of useful knowledge. An enlightened electorate is the basis of a sound democracy. A democratic social order will function only if the citizen is vigilant and takes an active interest in the affairs of the nation. We in India are attempted today to transform our traditional and stagnant society into a modern and dynamic one and build a new social order free from exploitation of any kind. And all these are to be accomplished by peaceful and constitutional means. This indeed is a tremendous job requiring the willing cooperation and hard and sustained work of our teeming millionaires. It will not be possible for us to release the unbounded energies of our people for national reconstruction unless we educate and motivate the people on right lines. The role of the printed word is bring enlightened cannot be overemphasized. I believe the our first and foremost duty today is the eradication of illiteracy. This is no doubt the literacy opens the door to richer life for the individual citizen and as a producer. I am very glad to know that the accident of this World Fair is on publishing in developing countries. That is why they are here now.